The color palette from Sherwin-Williams brings orange to life in a variety of shades, from soft and calming to bold and fiery. Want to make your home feel more vibrant and captivating? Let's explore the best orange shades that can transform every corner of your home into something truly special. And before we get started, don't forget to click subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on fresh color inspiration and awesome home design ideas. Number 1. Cavern Clay from Sherwin-Williams. Cavern Clay is a reddish-orange hue with a mid-tone intensity that brings a warm and welcoming feel. This color is well suited for kitchen or bathroom walls, creating an inviting and cozy atmosphere. Its rich undertone also adds captivating visual depth, perfect for those who love earthy interiors with an elegant touch. Number 2. Sierra Redwood from Sherwin-Williams. This color is so deep and rich, it almost appears red. Sierra Redwood is the perfect choice for those looking to create a contemporary atmosphere with a hint of classic character. It works beautifully in home offices or family rooms with good natural lighting. This shade conveys a sense of stability and quiet confidence. Number 3. Spiced Cider from Sherwin-Williams. As the name suggests, spiced cider evokes the idea of a warm, spiced drink on a cold day. This reddish-orange color is perfect for use in the kitchen or living room, especially for spaces that are often used for socializing. This shade evokes a sense of intimacy and friendliness, making it an ideal choice for creating a lively and friendly atmosphere. Number 4. Wheat Penny from Sherwin-Williams. With a dark orange hue that tends to be muddy, Wheat Penny gives a warm, earthy, and nostalgic impression. This color is perfect for use as an accent or on the main wall of a living room that has good lighting. This color can also create a home atmosphere that feels familiar and comfortable, as if welcoming you to relax and unwind. Number 5. Obstinate Orange from Sherwin-Williams. Want to lift the spirits in a room? Obstinate Orange is the answer. This orange-red color is very strong and full of energy. To balance the assertiveness of this color, it is best combined with a neutral white color such as egret white, suitable for use in spaces that want to give a lively and expressive impression, such as a modern family room or playroom. Number 6. Earthen Jug from Sherwin-Williams. Earthen Jug features a sun-kissed orange hue, reminiscent of ancient pottery and rustic beauty. It pairs well with nature-inspired pastels, such as sage green or sky blue. It's an ideal choice for a dining room or hallway with a traditional feel and ethnic touches. Number 7. Raucous Orange from Sherwin-Williams. Raucous Orange is a deep, bright orange that really stands out. It's perfect for those who aren't afraid to experiment and want to add some vibrancy to a room. It can be used in a dining room or bathroom to create an impressive visual focal point. It's ideal for those who like bold, characterful designs. Number 8. Faint Coral from Sherwin-Williams. Faint Coral is a very light pink-orange pastel, injecting positive energy and a playful feel into a space. Due to its soft, neutral nature, this color is perfect for transitional spaces like hallways or bathrooms. It's also a good choice for anyone looking to add a little playfulness without feeling too overpowering. Number 9. Intimate White from Sherwin-Williams. This color leans more toward pastel pink, with a remarkable subtlety. Intimate White is perfect for a nursery or bathroom, where a peaceful and loving atmosphere is paramount. This color creates a calming visual effect and evokes deep emotional intimacy. Number 10. Soft Apricot from Sherwin-Williams. Soft Apricot offers a subtle, calming orange hue, perfect for creating a welcoming atmosphere. This color works especially well in kitchens or dining rooms, especially if you want the space to feel warm yet relaxed. Soft apricot pairs well with warm whites or creams. With so many variations and unique characteristics offered by Sherwin-Williams, orange is a highly versatile choice for a variety of spaces and moods. Whether you're looking to create a classic, modern, warm, or even energetic feel, this orange palette can meet your various interior design needs. Feel free to experiment with color and lighting combinations to achieve maximum results. With the right color choices, every corner of your home can become a more vibrant, comfortable, and stylish space,